Hello, dear students. I hope you all must be fine and doing well. Today, we are going to revise our grammar of English 1, that is, Grammar Fun of English Reader Book. Grammar Fun of English Reader Book in English 1. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answer. The sun had set dash, it was not dark. Two options are there. Select the correct one. The sun had set, dash, it was not dark, but. Second is you can write with pencil, dash, pen. Options are or but. You can write with pencil or pen. Number three, Pooja opened the window, dash looked out. Option is and but. The correct answer is and. Pooja opened the window and looked out. Students, I have given you the answers. You have to write it yourself in your notebooks. The worksheet will be sent to you in the WhatsApp group later. Fill with on, in, on, under, at. Fill with in, on, under, at. The eggs are dash the nest. The eggs are in the nest. Number two, a ladybird is dash the flower. The ladybird is on the flower. Number three, the ducks are dash the pound. The ducks are in the ducks are in the pound. Number four, Mary is dash the farm. Mary is at the farm. Mary is at the farm. Note down your answers. First in, second on, third in, and last one is at. Third one is frame questions for. Frame questions for. Yes, I can do sums. Here you have to make the question. You have to frame the questions. This we have already done it in our Grammar Fun in English Reader book. Number one, yes, I can do sums. Number two is, yes, Kitty has milk from a bowl. Number two is, yes, Kitty has milk from a bowl. Number three, yes, I can fly a kite. Yes, I can fly a kite. Number four, yes, Arun likes to play. Yes, Arun likes to play. Yes, children, do you know how to frame a question? Do you remember how to do this one? I'll repeat the questions also. Be very careful when there is a question, you have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Don't forget to put the question marks, otherwise, you will lose full marks. Can you do sums? The sentence was, yes, I can do sums. The question here is, can you do sums? Question mark. Second is, yes, Kitty has milk from a bowl. The question here is, does, D will be capital DOES. Does Kitty have milk from a bowl? Question mark. Does Kitty have milk from a bowl? Question mark. Next is, yes, I can fly a kite. Question here is, can. Can, C will be capital CN. Can you fly a kite? Question mark. Can you fly a kite? Question mark. Fourth one is, yes, Arun likes to play. Question here is, does Arun like, L-I-K-E, like to play? Question mark. Does Arun like to play? Question mark. So children, be very careful about the question mark and the capital letters, otherwise you will lose marks. Yes children, do you remember this picture composition? This picture composition I have given you last week. Today I am going to frame 5 sentences on this picture composition. I hope all of you have done this. First is, there is a school. There is a school. Second is, there are 2 boys. We can see 2 boys in the picture. And they are wearing school uniform. So the third sentence will be, they are in school uniform. 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 They are in school uniform. Fourth sentence is, there is our national flag. You can see the national flag. There is our national flag. N capital NATIONAL, national flag. F capital FLAG, flag, full stop. Last sentence, children are celebrating Republic Day. Children are celebrating, CELEBRATING, celebrating Republic Day. Children are celebrating Republic Day. So children, you can frame your own sentence. You can see the school building in the picture composition. Children, now you can frame your own sentences, but the sentence should be meaningful. Whatever you see in the picture, you can write. You can write the color of the national flag. You can write the color of the school uniform of the children. They are having flag on their white shirts. Whatever you see in the picture, you can write, but write it correctly. Spellings should be correct and the sentence should be well framed. In this way, do the practice of writing picture composition. Yes, children, this is another picture composition for your practice. Next picture composition for your practice. This is very interesting and a loving picture composition. Observe the picture very carefully and then frame the sentence. I think it is very easy one. Now children, try and complete this colorful picture composition. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.